Welcome back, guys. So today you want to learn how to make the most delicious and super easy compound chicken at home. So don't worry, let me show you how to do it. And yes, it's way better than the Chinese restaurants. All right, for the ingredients, we're gonna need soy sauce, hoisin sauce, white pepper, sesame oil, chicken stock or broth, cornstarch, chili pods, unsalted peanuts, and finally green onions and minced garlic. And of course, for the final product, you have to get chicken. Which one? That one's completely up to you. It could be breast, it could be thighs, or it can be legs. Okay, let's get to it now. For your secret sauce, we're gonna do a little bit of chicken stock, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of sugar, and finally cornstarch. Now we're gonna whisk this to avoid any lumps. And remember, it's not the size of the whisk, it's how you use it. Now we're gonna grab your chicken thighs and we're gonna dice it to bite-sized pieces just like this. Now listen, I prefer to use chicken thighs, but if you like chicken breast, feel free to use it as well. Now place all your chicken into a bowl. To marinate your chicken, we're gonna add soy sauce, hoisin sauce, a pinch of salt, and finally a little bit of cornstarch. We're gonna massage your chicken with your hands, and don't be afraid, you can always wash them later. Allow your chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes, but if you can't wait, go ahead and use it, it's okay. Now, because not everyone has a traditional wok at home, this is the things that I use. One is I use this non-stick wok that I bought at Macy's for only 15 bucks, and it works perfectly for a lot of my Asian dishes. For my other pan, I use my Hex Clan pan for two reasons. One, I can use steel items and it won't scratch it. And then the second reason is it's non-stick. So when I'm doing like fried rice or I'm searing my chicken that has cornstarch, nothing gets stuck to the bottom. Now to your pot, we're gonna add enough oil to cover the bottom. And we have to let this heat up until we start seeing some smoke. Now gently place down all your chicken. We're gonna cook the chicken for about 6 minutes. That should cook it 2/3 of the way. Now remember, the smaller you cut your chicken, the faster it's gonna cook. Now throw in your garlic, your green onions, peanuts, and dried chilies. Now go ahead and cook these for about 3 more minutes. If only you were here, this smells super phenomenal. Now we're gonna add your sauce, and don't worry, I got the recipe in the description below. We're gonna pour in the sauce and we're gonna cook it with the chicken for at least 3 minutes. Since the sauce has cornstarch, the longer it cooks, the thicker it's gonna get and it's gonna coat the chicken perfectly. And literally, is that simple. And now for the best part, the taste test. I gotta blow it because it's hot. That was amazing. And yes, it's way better than the Chinese restaurants. Fun fact, in China you can find compound shrimp, tofu, and beef. It doesn't necessarily have to be chicken all the time. It's important to know that the balance of spicy, sweet, and salty flavor create about 80% of any Chinese restaurant dish out there. It becomes the main sauce for a lot of the dishes that you can find. So make sure that you save that recipe. And just like that, guys, it was the easiest way to make compound chicken recipe at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious videos that are coming up. Now, until next time.